Thumbnail selection. Make sure to select the thumbnail that really catches people's attention. This is the single most important element of your campaign. Most users pay attention to the thumbnail before deciding if they want to investigate the ad further. They're scrolling through potentially hundreds of ads, so you really have to stand out. A unique image is going to stand out more than a generic one. So pick something colorful, beautiful, or interesting. One thing I like to do is surround my picture with a bright border to really pop out. I also like to include a couple words from our Words That Sell section in big, easy to read letters on the top or bottom of the image. Also make sure your thumbnail image is square in dimension. This is an excellent example of a thumbnail image that I put together for another campaign we ran. You'll see here the word save is prominently featured, which is one of our words that sell. We also included the website domain so people can visit it without even having to click on the ad itself. We have bright colors, which makes it very visible to anyone that's scrolling through the pages and really catches their attention.